In today's video, I'm going to show you DecAI, an AI-powered interior design app that promises to transform your living space using nothing more than a photo. Here's how it works. You simply upload a picture of your room, select the type of space like a bedroom or living room, then pick your favorite design style, whether modern, rustic, or minimal. The app then uses AI to analyze the image and generate a customized design for your space. But the big question is it actually legit? Let's break it down. On the positive side, DecAI is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, which is a good sign since these platforms have strict checks that weed out shady apps. They also provide clear contact information, including an email, phone number, and even a physical address, something most scammy apps don't bother with. The app itself has a clean, user friendly interface, so it's easy to navigate without feeling overwhelmed. When it comes to user feedback, reviews are mixed. Many people praise the app for being creative, easy to use, and helpful for reimagining their rooms in fun ways. A big plus is that it works with real photos of your actual space, making the designs feel more authentic compared to generic overlays. However, not everyone is satisfied. Common complaints include the high subscription cost, limited customization, and repetitive designs that don't always match your requests. Some users also reported that the AI occasionally misses the mark and that customer support isn't very helpful, especially with refund requests. And if you're using the free version, expect to see plenty of ads. So, what's the final verdict? DecAI is a creative and fun tool with real potential, especially if you just want quick inspiration for your space. But it's not perfect. You might face issues with accuracy, customization, or pricing. If you're okay with those trade-offs, it can still be worth checking out for some fresh interior design ideas. Thank you for watching this video.